The Lost Backpack. Lily was 22 years old and lived in a small town near Manchester. She worked in a bookstore and enjoyed helping customers find interesting books. Every Saturday, she traveled by train to visit her grandmother, who lived about 1 hour away. One sunny Saturday morning, Lily woke up early. It was her grandmother's birthday, so Lily had bought her a beautiful blue scarf. She carefully placed the scarf inside a black backpack. She also packed a bottle of water, a sandwich, a notebook, her phone, and her wallet. Before leaving home, Lily checked everything. Then she put on her coat and walked to the train station. The streets were already busy, and the smell of fresh bread came from a bakery near the station. When Lily arrived, she looked at the information board. Her train was leaving from platform 4. She still had a few minutes, so she bought a hot chocolate and waited on the platform. Soon, the train arrived. Lily got on and found a seat beside a window. She placed her backpack on the seat next to her. As the train left the town, she watched green fields, small villages, and quiet rivers pass by. After 20 minutes, the train stopped at another station. Many passengers got on, and the carriage became crowded. An elderly woman needed a seat, so Lily moved her backpack to the luggage rack above her head. The journey continued, and Lily became interested in watching the countryside. She also thought about the birthday lunch and the chocolate cake her grandmother had prepared. Because she was relaxed and happy, the time passed quickly. When the train arrived at Greenfield, Lily picked up her coat and hurried off. Her grandmother was waiting outside the station. They hugged and began walking toward the house. Halfway there, Lily suddenly stopped. She looked at her hands and realized that her backpack was missing. Then she remembered the luggage rack. She had left the backpack on the train. Lily felt very worried. Her phone, wallet, notebook, and grandmother's birthday present were all inside. She and her grandmother quickly returned to the station and went to the information desk. The station manager asked Lily to describe the backpack. She explained that it was black and had a small red keychain. The manager entered the information into his computer and contacted the staff on the train. The train was already moving toward the next city, so Lily had to wait. She and her grandmother sat in a small cafe near the station. Lily felt disappointed with herself, but her grandmother remained calm. About 30 minutes later, the station manager received good news. A passenger had found the backpack and had given it to the train conductor. The train would return to Greenfield in about 1 hour. Lily felt relieved. She and her grandmother stayed at the cafe until it was time to return to the platform. When the train arrived, the conductor brought the black backpack. Lily opened it carefully. Her phone, wallet, notebook, and water bottle were still inside. At the bottom, she found the blue scarf. Nothing was missing. Lily thanked the conductor and the station staff. Then, she and her grandmother returned home. That afternoon, Lily gave the scarf to her grandmother. Her grandmother loved it and wore it during lunch. They ate chocolate cake, drank tea, and spent several happy hours together. On the journey home, Lily kept her backpack on her lap. Before leaving the train, she checked her seat, the floor, and the luggage rack. Lily had learned an important lesson. From that day on, she always looked around before getting off a train. She also learned that honest and helpful people could make a difficult day much better.